Which of these statements is true for an incompressible flow? A. Absolute mass flux is not important. B. Absolute density is not important. C. Absolute temperature is not important. D. Absolute pressure is not important. The correct answer is absolute pressure is not important. The explicit method is preferred when A. An accurate velocity field is needed. B. The pressure value is needed. C. An accurate time history of the flow is needed. D. Only less memory is available. The correct answer is an accurate time history of the flow is needed. Which of these equations are used to get the pressure values in the incompressible flows? A. Continuity and momentum equations. B. Momentum and energy equations. C. Energy equation and equation of state. D. Equation of state and continuity equations. The correct answer is continuity and momentum equations. According to the explicit time advanced method for getting pressure, which of these is correct? A. Continuity is enforced at the previous step after starting to solve the current step. B. Momentum conservation is enforced at the previous step after starting to solve the current step. C. Momentum equation is enforced at each step before moving to the next step. D. Continuity is enforced before at each step moving to the next step. The correct answer is continuity is enforced before at each step moving to the next step. The pressure equation for the incompressible equation is A. Euler equation. B. Divergence equation. C. Lagrangian equation. D. Poisson equation. The correct answer is Poisson equation. Which of these is a disadvantage of the Navier-Stokes equations? A. No independent equation for pressure. B. No independent equation for temperature. C. No equation to find the density. D. No equation to find the velocity. The correct answer is no independent equation for pressure. How is pressure calculated in a compressible flow? A. Pressure correction equation. B. Equation of state. C. Momentum equation. D. Energy equation. The correct answer is equation of state. The pressure equation in the incompressible flows contain A. Taylor series terms. B. Hermitian operator. C. Laplacian operator. D. Fourier series terms. The correct answer is Laplacian operator. Which of these is correct for the implicit method of solving pressure in the compressible flows? A. The Poisson equation alone is solved. B. The Poisson equation and the momentum equation are solved simultaneously. C. The momentum equation is solved first. D. The Poisson equation is solved first. The correct answer is the Poisson equation and the momentum equation are solved simultaneously. Which of these terms in the pressure equation become zero? A. Viscous and pressure terms. B. Viscous and transient terms. C. Pressure and source terms. D. Source and transient terms. The correct answer is viscous and transient terms.